Sangrongsalo Rajbhavan Gujarat Maharastra Diwas Palaijakha Manjaka Hastine Hastefa Indra Shanaredi Nalono Kobite Kubun Adongra
Asholo Pulano Panda Manjaknai Narway Rock no Lamjak Shogin Harsaka Abuniaglo Zatikatar Mushunga Pandaro Ching Shoidoka Panda Manjaknai Narway Rock Abuniaglo Rajbhavan Gujarat Maharastra Diwas Palaijakha Ashalin Panda Kok Sanani Tang Hastefa Indra Shanaredi Nalo Gujarat Maharastra Arden Culture Nati Dalbidal Nakumani Kolam Shawi Kanaroka.
Largest state of India as far as population is concerned. There are several celebrities from Gujarat as well as sports persons, politicians, leaders, freedom fighters, singers, industrialists and many more. The economy of Gujarat, a state in western India, is the most industrialized in India, having the highest industrial output of any state in the Union. It has the highest exports of any Indian state. It leads in diverse industrial sectors such as chemicals, petrochemicals, dairy, drugs and pharmaceuticals, cement and ceramics, gems and jeweler, textiles and engineering. It has the highest electricity production and marine port cargo volume among all states in India. It also has significant agricultural production with major agricultural produce of the state being cotton, groundnuts, dates and sugarcane, milk and milk products. Gujarat recorded the lowest unemployment rate in India. Let us remind ourselves of the fundamental truth. We are Indians first. Our states are like vibrant threads in the grand tapestry of Bharat. We must feel pride owing our state, but let us never forget that working for this Tripura state is working for India. Every effort we make strengthens the foundation of our entire country. Let us adopt the spirit of think national, act local. Let inspire this day to raise above narrow divides. For strong India needs strong states. Jai Gujarat, Jai Maharastra, Jai Tripura, Jai Chini.
Khorang Chini Khorang.